Hi everyone, so it's my first video and I am making these super cute leg warmers today. I'm using 6 mm hook, but if you have 5 mm, that would be better. I'm using white yarn for beginning parts so you can understand better and can see stitches clearly. But the actual color of the leg warmer will be black, so let's start. So start with a slip knot and then we are going to chain 10. After that we are going to skip the first chain and then we will do single crochet into the second chain. Now we are going to continue doing single crochet until the end. That will be 9 single crochet. If you don't know how to do a single crochet, let me tell you. Insert your hook into the stitch and then yarn over. Pull up a loop. Now you have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops. That will be single crochet. After that, we will do chain 1 and turn it and start doing single crochet in the back loop only. From now, we will keep doing single crochet in the back loop only for the whole ribbon. Now we will continue growing the ribbon until it fits around your calf. Everyone's size is different, so make sure you are doing according to yours. Once the ribbon is long enough, join the end with a slip stitch, just like I am doing it. This will make circle shape for your leg warmer. And how to do a slip stitch? Now we are going to insert hook into the stitch and yarn over. Pull through the stitch and the loop on your hook at the same time. So basically in the slip stitch, we do yarn over one time and pull it through the stitch and the loop at the same time. And we are going to chain 2 and now we will be doing double crochet in every stitch we see. I know it might look uneven in the beginning, that's totally fine. Just make sure you don't leave any gap so it doesn't make it look like weird. I know it will be difficult for you to do double crochet in this uneven stitches, but trust me, if you will do this one, then we can make the leg warmer easily. So this will be our first row, and for ending it I'm doing 2 slip stitches. Now I'm going to change the color and keep doing double crochet. As we have done our first row, we will be working on the second one. For the second one I'm going to use gray color, so I'm going to slip stitch and cut the yarn and pull it and make a slip knot with the new color and insert it into the next stitch where we left off. Now we will do 2 chains and do the double crochet in the same stitch where we have done our 2 chains. And I'm going to do 2 rounds of gray without any increase or decrease. And in the third row, I feel like it's going wide, so I decrease it 1 time. And guys, this is a freestyle tutorial, so please don't hate me. Just check your shape as you go. Now I am going to switch to the black. 2 rows, I'm going to do it with no increase. Make sure you don't skip any stitch, otherwise you will get a big hole. After that, again I'm changing color to gray to do 2 more rounds of gray, and we will do 2 increase in the first row and we'll do 4 increase in the second row. This will give that chunky folded cute look, and I'm going to decrease in between two if I feel like it's going very wide. Now I'm going to switch the black one again, and we will do 3 rounds of the black one. In the first row, I'm going to increase 5 times. and in the next one I'm going to decrease 3 times, because again for folded effect. And in the next last black row I'm going to do 2 more decreases. So I'm not counting after how many stitches I'm going to decrease or increase. It's just that just to decrease or increase at one point, otherwise it will look very weird. Now next I'm doing again gray one, 5 decreases. It's still very wide. By the way, I'm checking according to my size and adjusting it. In the first row, I'm doing decreases 5, and then the second one, I'm decreasing 6. And then again, I'm going to work in the black one. And the first row of black, I'm going to increase 5, and in the second row, I'm going to increase 4. And in the last round of black I'm going to increase 2 more times, and then I'm going to switch to gray again, then 4 increase to give it a little square shape at bottom. And in the last row I'm using the last black color. I am not doing any increase or decrease. Also, you don't have to follow my increase or decrease. I made mine extra wide. Again, guys, I'm going to put the pattern in the description as well. But please don't hate me, as this is a freestyle tutorial and you can do as your size. And if you don't want to increase this much, you can going with the same rounds. And this was my first tutorial, so I was a little nervous, but I hope you like it. And thank you for watching. I am going to make more crochet tutorials, and sorry, I'm still learning, still improving, but I wanted to share it with you guys. Thank you so much. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel.